In this video, I'll go over why Chime might have denied your application. It's frustrating when you get that "not approved" message, but there are usually clear reasons behind it. Let's break it down. First off, Chime isn't a bank. They partner with banks to offer their debit and credit builder cards. That means your application is reviewed by their banking partners, not Chime directly. One common reason for denial is your check system's report. If you've had problems with past bank accounts, like unpaid fees or fraud, Chime's bank may see that and decide not to approve you. Another factor? Your credit history. If you're applying for the credit builder card, the issuing bank will check your credit. A low score or limited credit history can lead to a denial. Also, if you've applied multiple times recently or have several inquiries, that could hurt your chances too. Sometimes it's something simple like incomplete information. Maybe an incorrect address or social security number mismatch. Quick tip: if you were denied, Chime should send you a message explaining why. Check your email or app notifications for details from them. You can also try again later after improving your credit or resolving any issues with past banking relationships. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick Chime and money tips.